Hi everyone, welcome to the YouTube channel. In this video, we will see how to fix Super ID verification code not received and not coming. So if you're having the same issue where you're just trying to verify your account with the Super ID and it does not send you any email or you're having issues related to it, so I'll show you how easily you can easily fix it. So before starting the Clash of Clans, you have to simply go to its settings. For that, you can just simply go to this page, and after that, you will see this option which is the storage. You just have to simply click onto its storage, and after that, you have to clear out its cache and clear out its storage. Once you do so, you will get disconnected with your account. Now you just have to simply click onto this Clash of Clans. Once it gets open, it will be its first time. Like first you have to play some game and then you can verify it. One thing that you have to make sure here is that you have to actually pass one or two levels here, then you can verify it. Most of the people do is that they just simply try to verify and it does not work. In that case, you just have to simply play a little bit of game and then you just have to simply verify it. Enter your email address up there, and after that you will receive your verification code on your email address. Just simply paste that code up here and then simply click onto that icon, which is the tick icon at the bottom right. Once you do so, you will see that it will connect you to your account. That means you have successfully verified your account. So that's how you can receive your verification code and you can verify your account. I hope you found this video helpful and informative. Make sure to subscribe to the YouTube channel, and thank you so much for watching the video.